Yo guys, welcome back to the Final Channel. It's your man, Final Kill Cam Man, and today I'm doing a spring cleaning of my PCs, guys. You gotta clean your PCs. If you don't clean your PCs, they are gonna crash on you guys. And might as well take good care of them and treat them well. So right now, I just got done finishing the smaller PC. Just cleaning it up, a little side job. I went through and cleaned everything, guys. I see a little dirt right there. But go in there and make sure your PC is off. Power off, unplug it. Make sure there's no power running through there. Otherwise, when you spin those fans, it's not good for it. So remember, guys, PC tips. Clean your PC, turn your PC off. Don't spray the air dusters into the fan, spin them super fast. You can spray them, but lightly spray them. I'd rather wipe them down. That's why you unplug it. I just take everything, all these off, everything off, so you can get both sides of the fan and clean it up. So that's what I'm doing today at the Final Channel, and I'll keep you guys updated. This is PC Tips from the Final Samurai. See, a lot of that dust is under your battery, man. So trick is to kind of open the bottom up and clear out all that dust that drops down there. Guys, now we gotta clean the bottom. Dude, and you can't get under. Get a shorter flat. I got one side off. One side popped off. Now we just gotta get other. Drop. Nice. Off. Jeez Louise, that was a son of a gun to get off though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh. Holy shit. Look how dirty the fans are I just cleaned it a couple months ago. Maybe I'm not even. And you see, you gotta take care of it, guys. Wow. That was the first time me popping off that front, though. I didn't really have to clean this much, but you see how dirty those are? Let's get to it, guys. That's rough on your fingers. And guys, you can spin them, but do not spin it like super fast. It's okay to spin these. You can spin them, but not spin them outrageously with the blower. Trying to see how fast they can go, because it moves it faster than they should go. And you kind of want to just ride your finger around the edge with the fan to get that top ledge. Go with it. Get every single thing off. Then make sure you wipe your cloth off. You gotta get it from both sides. If you only get it from one side, you're not gonna get it all. Even get the little post behind the fans. You gotta get inside here. You don't usually need to take the fans off to get in between top. Not yet, at least. But when you do your like yearly, like maybe I'm gonna start doing this every year, like once deep hard clean, man. I'm telling you, it is good. These aren't usually that bad, especially when you got a nice fan running in here. See, that wasn't even that bad on that side. But the rest is, I gotta get under, because I can see the dust underneath. But my main concern was this front side. It was so dirty and I could see it, and it was driving me crazy. But now look, see, we got all the fans cleaned. Now I'm gonna clean that outer edge, Windex that glass, and then we'll pop it back on and we're good to go. Actually, I do need to clean down here as well. So pop these open. Actually, we will not go this way. We will try to go and do this backside. Well, I did actually clean most of it. I did actually. Shit. Stick that down in there real quick. Put these cords back how they were. Put them in there. A quick wipe down, and then then you have a freaking clean PC. Everything is all clean. So even the top fans, you get the top fans, you know, and then it stays healthy, guys. It's just like your body. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. Yo guys, thanks for watching. That's the Samurai PC cleaning tips. Next time I'll have better angles so you can see it better and see what I'm doing. But thanks for watching, and always keep your PCs clean. Sayonara, and hit the like button and subscribe if you're not a sub. Peace out.